Hey, it's me. What's going on, crew? Oh, mate, I tell you what, I'm working on the XE, and I know it was a little bit disappointing that I didn't get it into primer. I'm here on a Friday night. I reckon it's about maybe 8:30 or 9, and I'm still going with it. I've done it, well, what I think sort of properly, best of my ability sort of thing, getting the boot lid. That's bare metal. Now, guys, just pick at all the shit that you reckon's wrong with it. I mean, hey, I read all of your comments, and it's only gonna make me better. So what I'm thinking is that let's get this in primer tonight. We do hire out our spray booth, and so there's a customer coming tomorrow, bright and early around 8 AM. So I got to get moving. I've got to get this in the booth, and I've got to spray just primer. That's all we're going to do, and then we're going to get a good look at what we've got just in one color, and then we're going to do some body work. Okay, there's the roof. It's all bare metal. Now you'll notice with the gutters, I just haven't had a chance to attend to all of it. You know, I need to get this done sort of thing. So I just got to get all of the bare metal into primer, and then after that we'll attend to the gutters and clean it up properly. The same goes with the bonnet. I've got to take this bonnet off, but it's just me here. I need a helping hand. So this lip here, I'm just struggling trying to get my whizzy right into that part. And so the rest of the bonnet is looking pretty good. And again, over here, I just don't have my tools just at my disposal. So this front little chrome piece there, I've really got to take that off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to mask it to that line. I've just got to get all of this bare steel just, you know, in some primer just to protect it from the elements sort of thing. That's where we're at the moment. I'm about to order a pizza. Just take a breather. We're going to get this thing into the booth. We're going to spray some primer. I've just got my pizza, and I decided to bring in the Big D. Here she is. She's looking a little frosty. You see a little bit of condensation on the windows sort of thing. She's looking good with the fatties. You beauty. Still saving up for the, it's become a bit of a running joke, still saving up for the front runners. Yeah, we'll get there. Just watching over what's gonna be happening with this bad boy over here. Anyway, my pizza's been delivered and I'm starving. Oh, check that out. Extra cheesy. Why don't you guys tell me a little bit about some of the late nights you've pulled, working on mates' cars or your own cars? You know, I think you guys have all pulled some late nights and get things done. I love it. I only like working on my own shit though, because mate, if I was working on everybody else's stuff, I would never get any of my projects done. So yeah, drop a comment below and let me know some of the all-nighters or late nights you guys have pulled to get what car done. Is it still around? Did you do a good job? All right, I have a camera on my head now. Apologise if you just hear me burping my pizza. Anyway, I'm gonna tape up my Chinese lights so I don't get overspray on them. I really, you know, like, I mean, how far do you go with it all? Spray that and, you know, if I get a bit of overspray on that, do I really care? It's gonna get sanded anyway. So I go one more. Well, I'm out of that tape. I did find that just from wherever. Just go hunting for more. Oop. Wow, where is all? Aha! There it is. Let's go through this way. Amazing. All right, so, oh my God, this tape is no good. Don't you hate that when you can't get the edge of it? Dude, this is not gonna work. Come on, work with me here. Oh, here we go. No, oh. You know, frustrating watching me. I'll just get my editing guy just to cut this shit out. Okay, here we go. What else do I mask to avoid getting shitloads of overspray everywhere? Oh. Maybe this video is gonna come back and haunt me. because I'm doing everything half-assed. Nope, that's not gonna happen. Everybody can see all the skills that I have not accumulated over my lifetime. Again, all this shit's sort of gonna get sanded, so I mean, like, you know, like, I just don't want to get it on the window because scraping a window sucks. Do I care about masking that? Not really. Look how dirty that is. Is it gonna stick? It's a bit loosey-goosey. Do I care about all of that? Look, I'm gonna get some paper and mask all that properly. So, if you don't know how to mask, don't watch this video because I don't know either. But what I normally do is just hold it a good distance away, so then you can sort of like move it around. And you'll be surprised how flexible tape actually is. Little some like that. Then I'll put a drop sheet over there. You know, I might as well just do that. You know, how far do you go? Go all the way, he says. Am I gonna get any spray on that? Well, maybe, hopefully not, probably. All right, I'll drop something over there then. And then I'll have to mask up all of this sort of stuff. Where's my, give me a blade. Aha, blade. This is sharp. Oh, got a hook to the head. Well, you guys did anyway. Is this blade sharp? Oh, it's sharp enough. Okay, what can that cover? That's, oh, yeah. What do you think about that? Just to cover that shit there. Maybe I'll close up that window. Stay. Stay. Okay, where do I put my masking tape? Aha. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I've been doing this for a living. Only joking. Bit of this, bit of that. Bit of this, bit of that. I bet you straight after this I want to go home, and then I'll have to get here at like 6 to clean up all this shit. If I get here at 7:30, the guy will already be here, because you know they're always pretty keen, and that's fair enough. So I think it's a Datsun tomorrow, so hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of that bad boy. Alright, that's one side. Again, just gonna go Alright, I gotta do the other side, I gotta do the front and rear screen. I mean, this all takes a lot of time. I'm going like quickly because I want this to be like an engaging, entertaining video for y'all. But hey, you know, if I was like doing this properly, I'd probably take double or triple the amount of time. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I would still do it pretty, pretty, how you going? Nah, I'm lying. I would do it properly, guys. This is just like some plastic from some packaging for whatever we got in. Reuse, recycle, they say. Look at that big slit right there. But that will work. That's fine. Should be right. You can see, like, to mask up a car, that might take you like an hour, maybe even longer. And I gotta, like, when you're doing a car properly, like, you know, bare metal, sort of like this, you be masking up the car, I reckon at least maybe 3, maybe even 4 times. A lot of work. Imagine if you wanted to go bare metal and you had rust repairs and everything. No wonder it costs like 50 grand these days, because it's just unbelievable, like the amount of time that it takes. I am a little bit worried of getting overspray in the car, so I really don't want that. So I might add a few more bits and bobs, and of course that bit's showing now. You know, spray that way, spray that way. Let's see what else we got. This looks like it might work on the windows. And I've got to do this one properly because, you know, like, I don't want it to get overspray because I'm doing the boot lid and the roof. That sort of looks like it works. I'll just get my razor blade and cut it down to size. So if I start it like that, and go like that, or maybe like that, that'll work. And then I'll just drag this bit here and then I'll trim. I'll have to trim it. Helps if your razor blade is nice and sharp. A little something like that. Cool. Now I'll just cut. Oh no, it's pulled it a little bit that way. That's all right, we'll be able to fix it. Okay, let's go this way. And then, oh, I'm cutting. Razor blade is sharp. Some guys take photos of their their masking because they're so proud of it. I don't think I've ever been one of those kind of guys. So that's sort of come undone, but that's all right. Just go a little bit like that. All right, and look at that, how to waste tape. If any bosses are watching me, you know, you probably wouldn't be happy with the amount of consumables I'm using. I am recycling though. Okay, same deal with this bad boy here to reveal this. I can't reach, I'm too short. I need to lower the car. Whoa, that's terrible. Doesn't matter. All right, we're back. 2 seconds flat. Okay, I promise you, it actually gets worse as I go along. But I reused a fair bit of stuff, you know, packing stuff and bubble wrap or whatever. So anyway, so we're gonna paint this bad boy, the roof, and then the bonnet. This is where it gets bad. Oof, look at that. Do I care? Nah, you know, should be right. We'll attend to that. I've just got to get some paint on it. Guys coming tomorrow. I can't wait. I've got to do it, you know. All right, so I've already wiped it down. I'll just tack rag it, just in case. And let's lay some paint on it. It's not bad. As it dries, it's looking better and better. That's the boot lid. Oof, it's getting hot in here. Roof's still drying, so it's still a little bit patchy there. Looks like some zebra stripes. The bonnet's looking pretty good. Not bad, happy with that. And you can see here, there's been a little bit of damage. I don't know whether you can see that now, it's all one color. So the idea after that is we'll do some filler work, sand the rest of the car, get it all sorted. Well, I can't even think. Fill it, high fill it, sand it, shape it, paint it, you know, you name it, we'll do it. Anyway guys, thanks for checking out our video tonight. I'm fucking wrecked as, mate. It's probably like 10:30. I gotta go home. I got a wife. Got a wife and 3 cats. Oh. Take it easy, guys.